Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add different custom suffix or prefix with WooCommerce price for different product using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and we are going to add different custom suffix or prefix for different product. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WooCommerce product price custom text before and after and discount. So this is plugin we are using. Now you see. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. So by using this plugin, we are going to add different suffix or prefix with WooCommerce price for different product. Now on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see product price custom tax and discount. So click on it. Now we are in custom tax and discount tab. Now scroll down. You see use custom tax and discount. Enable the setting and then you see select pages. Select all pages, shop page, product page, cart page. So you can select according to requirement. And then you see product categories. If you want, you can add global prefix or suffix for product, but we are going to add different prefix and suffix for different product. Now click on save changes. Now settings saved. On left side you see product, so click on it. Then scroll down, click on any product. Now you see edit button, so click on it. Now edit product open and scroll down. We are in product data and then you see price, tax and discount, so click on it. Now enable this option. Use custom tax and discount for this product. Use custom prefix, enable. Use custom suffix, enable. So you can add tax according to requirement. So now I edit price per bracket for both. So you can add suffix or prefix according to requirement. Now click on update. Now product updated done. Go to shop page, refresh the page. So now we are in shop page and scroll down. You see product and then you see suffix and prefix. Now open product. Now in single product page you also see suffix and prefix. Now click on add to cart and then click on view cart. So we are in cart page. In cart page you see suffix and prefix. So by using this plugin you are going to add different custom suffix and prefix for different product with WooCommerce price. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.